Dinantaya pong masikan na masikan, maganang palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, school category and non-school category participants, pwede tayo po bang di nang masikan na palakpakan ng bawat metong ating kakatamong SINUKWAN Festival. Masayang-masaya ako po uling pitipon-tipon na nakatamo na naman para asaksihan at apanalben ing sa janggalingan o gelingan ning Kapampangan pangaras king terakan. Bayo tayo po umpisa ning kakatamong programa at patimpalaknya ning aldong ini. Malyari da kayo pong agkatan na talakad bilang respeto po king kakatamong apong Ginoo. Para po king kakatamong opening prayer through a doxology, tuloy-tuloy po as we honor our country, our nation, para king kekatamo pong national anthem at himno na ning SINUKWAN Festival.
Salang bukas, salamat king 5 siglong kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning mga tubo, sablamingan, babyemingan, dapat ang aking katatawlian, tango kami Ginoo, king mission mo. Ipagkalaman ban midake at biyayan, masabal, hustisya, kapayapan. Inlugod tamo, king sablayang tanda, ning kekata, kasal pantayanan. Daralabi kalam ning pangaturo, masabal, hustisya, kapayapaan. Harapan, amoy masalang bukas, salamat king 5 siglong kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning pangaturo, sablamingan, babyemingan, dapat ang aking katatawlian, tango kami Ginoo, king mission mo. Tango kami Ginoo, king mission mo.
Manatili po tayong nakatayo as we honor our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Tamo pa mo po lulukluk, tuloy-tuloy tamo king himno na ning SINUKWAN Festival.
Kapampangan misakwak, Kinglegwan naning alaya, Gabunding pantas at marangal, Sibul ning lugod, karinaning tepangan, Batis ning katalaruan, at panamdam makabanen, ligaya mi ingye payapa, king malugod mong kandungan. Kapampangan sa lening legwan, Kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kilubing pusumi, atin kang dambana, luid ka, palsintan ming Kapampangan. Luid ka, palsintan ming Kapampangan. Kapampangan sa lening legwan, Kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kilubing pusumi, atin kang dambana, luid ka, palsintan ming Kapampangan. Luid ka, palsintan ming Kapampangan.
Di na tayo pong masikan, palakpakan, ingke katamo pong Pakakamanang Pampanga! Sige po, guli saktamo, ganaganang participants tangi ni King Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest. Nung excited kayo, why don't you make some noise? Woohoo! Malyari na kayo pong lukluk, rin kaya katamo pong Board of Judges, pero rin kaya katamo pong participants. Sabi natin po ning kaya katamong pinaka-theme ngeni. Kaya nakan mani muna masabal, King Kultura. Nino po kaya kayo ngeni intune yung pagmaragol na Kapampangan kayo? Are you proud to be Kapampangan? If you are proud, come on, make some noise! Woohoo! Yan. Nino po kaya ni ing kakarog na. Excited na. I believe katamo nga excited tamo. Dakal pong salamat. Kareng gana tamo nga talented at world class na contestants at participants. Sabi rapin po na kapag Kapampangan, tunay mong apag maragol alimu keti Pilipinas nung ali maging keng aliwa pang bansa. At baluyo po ba na doble ing saya tamo uling ing SINUKWAN Festival, doble-doble, adwang pulo at ana mabanwaneng mami pugay keng katamo pong kultura keng SINUKWAN Festival. Ayan. By the way, yako po i-DJ Nikki. Yako po inke kayong host niya ni, a former radio DJ of Brigada News FM 92.7 Pampanga. At yako rin po metong karempong part-time host na ning GNN TV 44 Pampanga, also known as One Media TV. Dakal-dakal pong salamat kan Tito Benny Ginto at kareng ega na pong Mamye, suporta king kekatamo pong SINUKWAN Festival. Bayo ke po ipakilala, ing kekatamo pong treasurer at talaga namang metong kareng haligi o Foundation of Lingap Kapampangan Inc. Buri ko na pa mo pong pasalamatan rin kaya katamong sponsors king SINUKWAN Festival 2023. Co-presented Robinsons Starmills, Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Hilton Clarkson Valley Resort, Clark City Front Mall, Mega World Capital Town. At syempre po in partnership with Provincial Government of Pampanga, LGU City of San Fernando, Spelapco Inc., Pasudeco Development Corporation, 8990 Holding Inc., Fiesta Communities, Solana Land Development Inc., Balibago Waterworks Systems Inc., Susie's Cuisine, Tarlac Electric, City of San Fernando Water District, Forerunner Services Inc., Durapolis Inc., Angeles Electric Corporation, LGU of Santo Tomas, LGU of Guagua, Clark Development Corporation o CDC, LGU ng Bacolor, Laos Group Holdings Inc., Faith Realty Development Corp., Ms. Candida Gomez, House of David Foundation Inc., Our Lady of Mount Carmel Charity Foundation, LGU Ning Angeles City, Nidal Management Inc., Patient Care Corporation, at mamaya po, susundan pa yan ng marami pa nating pasasalamat sa iba pa nating sponsors. Ngeni po, nino po ing excited ng simulan tayo ing kakatamong Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest. Bayo po yung sabla, ipakilala kay pamu po kaya kayo at pagpepakilala kaya kayo since dancers la rin kaya katamong participants, pwede bang dinan tayo with high energy, i-welcome tayo po i-Attorney Mariano Domingo Santiago, Treasurer of the Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Inc.
Maya pong Aldo Kekatamongan, on behalf of the Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan, panimulanan ning Hermana Mayor tamong Sonia Soto, kukubiranda ko po ang pong pasalamat kami kareng participants, ang po kareng manalbe, na tumagon ko pa po nung ating kong kayabe ken luwal. Ini pong tema tamo yeni, yapin po yung kayanakan mani muna, masabal king kultura. And culture is always evolving. Metong ya pong paralan ni na yung FLKI, makisuglungan niya at mamabot siya kareng kayanakan. Baan kaulde kay kapamilatanan ng sarili dang expression keng hip-hop, ang Ponterak, ing lugod king kulturang Kapampangan. Buri ko po sanang paganakamo naman na ikong kaya na kanyening participants keng eskwela ang pong grupo, metong nako mo naman ehemplo kareng wali yung manalbeke kayo at sana rago kapamilitanan ng talento yu at tenakan manggi ang suli ban sumulong ko pa king bie ken talentong pigkalob na ni nga pong ginuke kayo at sana mo naman nagamit siya ni bangka lalo ya pang luguran ing Balentang Pampanga po yung kultura na tatataw yan, please be or second to the last mimingat tamo po at syuta ni bagkanta manalbe at magsaya. So, think about, I know you will be executing daring acts. Sometimes, be careful. Because manalbe la rin pengari tamo. You don't have to prove anything. Mas importante itang kempuso yu, geway ng agyuyo at ining paralan baka taapakit yu, impangataw yu. We could show our love at the same time be safe kening kening gawan yung performances. And I know, dakal ko po oras ag inulguli kong kayanakan, kay ba't may garal mag-practice kayo. At pauli na niyan, pasalamatan tala naman po. Mumunan dili rempengari, as sinuporta ka rin anak at tsukeni. Rempong mestra talaturo na tiro dala at sigluan do rin anak. At kekongan sinaw. Siyempre mo naman po ining Robinsons Starmills param ken lugar ni pablasa pong limitado mo naman ing resources na ning foundation. At bitasang diyang pangatin tapong kakulangan, panikwanan tapong ipagkalob ni kekang kaya na kanyeni. So, anak, reng anak Kapampangan, eko mga lingwan rugong pasalamat. Indadalanan yung paukyat, dalanan yung pababa. Ken life, what it dishes out to you, please always be mindful to the lowest people who have helped you where you are right now. Because knowing where you have been, ing dalanan mo, babalikan mo, dakal ka pa lakwas puntalan. Nung balo mong balikan at pasalamatan, reng sinaw pat sinuglong ke kayo. Kakalingwaning nga pong Ginoo. At kadita, ko na po pakalambat. Pasalamat kami muna mga karen judges. Everybody, Kapampangan tangan po. Okay. So, balo ko po dakala na manobra. Pero at sula po Kenny, baka taabyedangan ke kayo mo naman ing masanting pamanusga. Pero para po bilang pengari, anak, participants, ikongan menyambut ko kem puso min, It's just so happen this is only metong yang aldo ini. O mapilang minuto. King bie agrasyang ipagkalob na ning apong ginuke kayo. So, maging limitasyon ing nanuman ni resulta keni. King pangatao yu. Importante, manggi ang experience sa ini. At sana manggi ang susi ni nung nanumaning resulta, bangkanta lalo panlago, ing pangatao yu at bilang maya Kapampangan. O baka nita po, dakal salamat at mayat oras po kayo.
Dakal pong salamat, attorney. Balamay na po yung kaya, palakpakan si kanan at inya pong isikan yan. Masanting niya po yung mano ng attorney Mariano Domingo Santiago. Yung sabi na po, tamo mga lingwan. Ayan. And ngani po, as we continue, paalala mo po kareng bawat metong bayo tamo magumpisa, kaya kaya katamo pong guidelines at kaya kaya katamong criteria for judging. Always remember, keep in mind, school category and non-school category participants. Number 1, the competition is open to all schools, dance groups, barangays, or municipalities in the Kapampangan region. The group's composition must be within a minimum of 8 and maximum of 15 members. A touch of Kapampangan theme, concept, trait, or tradition must be infused into the performance. The performer's costume and choreography, dance steps, body movements must be wholesome. Use of liquids, flammable materials, confetti, pyrotechnics, and the like are strictly prohibited in the presentation. And there will be -2 deduction to your whole score. Any Kapampangan music should include Atin Kopong Sing Sing as a remix. Dangerous stunts are not allowed in the presentation, and there will be -5 or deduction to your total score. Criteria for judging as follows: choreography, creativity, and originality, 30%. Performance, projection, style, mastery, and coordination, 30%. Costumes and props, 15%. Relevance to the theme, SINUKWAN Festival 2023 theme, which is Kenakan Mani Muna, Masabalking Kultura, 15%. And last but certainly not the least, audience impact, 10%. For a total of 100%. Ninth, the decision of the Board of Judges is final and irrevocable. The competition is on December 6 today at 11 in the morning here at Robinsons Starmills. Latecomers will not be accepted. And the time limit for each music or performance is only 5 minutes and 1 minute preparation. Kapag sumobra po, magkakaroon ng -2 sa inyong total score. And lastly, any violations made will be deducted from the total score. Handa na po ba ang bawat isa? Ipapakilala ko muna ang ating Board of Judges. Para sa ating Board of Judges, as I call your names, as I introduce you, please stand up. Unang-una na po dyan, si Mr. Brian Roy Seca. Bingo Plus Studio host, commercial model, sparkle artist, dance troupe member of Sari Manok NDDU, an actor and second-year BS Architecture student. Dinantaya pong masikan na palakpakan. Kakadwa po, Miss Gwen Jamay Gibo, Systems Plus College Foundation for Performing Arts President from 2017 to 2019. Former member of Coalition Crew, former dance coach, choreographer of Retrovive PH, Hip-Hop International Philippines 2019 Pampanga representative, Champions Tour Dance Championship 2019 Pampanga representative, backup dancer of Miss Sara Geronimo at Tala Nation 2020, former member of the A-Next Body Rock Asia 2023 Pampanga representative, and dance coach, choreographer of Angeles City Dance Community. Dinantaya pong masika na palakpakan, Miss Gwen Jamay Gibo. Kakatlo po Mr. Jeffrey Ramizo. From Tarlac, member of J Production and Crew Hip-Hop Group, former Street Guys Dancers, former BMD Group Zumba, past Performing Arts President, St. Peter College of Technology, graduate of BS or Bachelor in Performing Arts, event organizer, past manager, Ballroom Club and V Cafe, present manager of the Ballroom Club at Kingsley Hotel Clark. Dinantaya pong masikan na palakpakan. And last but certainly not the least, to complete our Board of Judges, Mr. Rainer Alvarez, graduate of Special Needs Education at Holy Angel University. Attended Dance Exchange International Dance Workshop and Festival. National Arts Month Sayaw Pinoy Delegate. Attended and performed in Trail of Civilization, Kingdom of Cambodia, Gyeonggi International Mart, Lantern Festival in Seoul, South Korea. Third Asia Open Dance Championship Silver Awardee 2022, AOPC, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Member of SINUKWAN Kapampangan Dance Company, Pampang PH. Dinantaya pong masika na palakpakan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, nung excited na kayo at handa na kayo, dinantala po rin bawat meto nga participant, pengari parents, our proud parents, at eganaganang school and non-school category participants. Masikan, palakpakan po! Dakal mo naman pong salamat keng CLTV 36 para po keng kakatamong live broadcast keng Facebook at keng Karela pong network. Ngayon po, simulan tane, keng kakatamong mumunang diling school participant. Dinantala pong masikan na palakpakan, Sukad National High School!
Kaya katamong silipan ng matataga kasalpantayanan, dareng Kapampangan, king selebrasyon ng Apong Iru Fluvial Festival, himbalitang ining.
Yak, yak, yak!
Wow! What a way to start our competition here at SINUKWAN Festival for Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest. Salita ne po, palambatan pa ha? Dinantanang masika na palakpakan. Ingkaya katamo pong next school participant from Northville Elementary! Makatamisan pa po, palakpakan tayo in Northville Elementary.
Makiniabe, Laosca, King Ciudad, San Fernando.
Anyang malati ko, malati maligaya ko, keti baboy ato, uling balang saglit.
Morville Elementary! Thank you so much. NVE. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our third school category participant. Tinatala pong masikan ang palakpakan from Lubao National High School.
Kapampangan ko.
Ika'y parang sinta na hindi ko. Nung mawala ka kako, maya pang matena ko. Gustong nakita ka, masayaing puso ko. Alam ka laraman, pati ko bibiro. Pati ko man maligaya na ako. Gustong sinabi mo, kaluguran mo ko. Kabilang ibigay gamat mo, utang sagutan mo ko. Pagkikita ko, malay kami, kalimpengarin mo.
O ba't mo ketang Sabado, pasyal ko kita ke kayo. Inyang abat tiyawan mo ko, patagal mo kong aso.
Tinyapin, patagal na ka. Karetang asong na pamilya. Baan ka nita makilala? Yung tunay mong mamasin ka.
nadaring mata.
Lubao National High School, mag-ingay! Thank you so much. Now, wow! Palakpakan tala po from Lubao National High School. Ngayon naman, i-welcome tayo po in kakatamong kapat, a school participant from Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. Makatamisan pa po kabalen, palakpakan tala ring Jerry H. Rodriguez High School.
AM.
Isang bantang pagmalapulwat mong kalendang ako, parang leting parokang bundok ting alaya. Mekeni tukika, malaos ka Pampanga. Mekeni tukika, mamasyal ka Pampanga. Age-age, tuki-tuki, libot-libot, turut-turut, etuke-age, mamasyal ka Pampanga. At magalang Florida, Blanca, Lubang, Mexico. Papunta si Mosa sa Angeles City, Mapalakad City, Masandul, Macabebe, City of Fernando. We got to be proud. Kapampangan, yeah, Kapampangan, yeah. Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Kapampangan, yeah, Kapampangan, yeah. The world has fabulous scenes. Pampanga, Philippines. Na 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 no tama. Na 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 no tama.
Everybody loves Pampanga. Everybody loves Pampanga.
Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. The world has fabulous scenes. Pampanga, Philippines. Pampanga, Manyawa, Pampanga, Manyawa, Pampanga, Manyawa, Pampanga.
That's Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. Maraming salamat. Dakal at salamat, Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. Ing panglima, king kekatamo pong school participant. Dinantala pong masikana palakpakan from Northville High School.
Itang kalagwang magpakakamampangan, king Kapampangan.
Isukal ninyo po, susukul king banwa, migurus kong kama, ramoning la mesa, migumang manaki, king singsing kong mana, kalolong puso ko, manginuya kaya, atin ko pong singsing, atin ko pong singsing. Atin ko pong singsing.
Ating ko po sisi, ito lang pinputan, ang anak ay ibig, langin mong ibatan, sa gabi sa pilino, kay meron akapan, may wala nga ibig, may pagkamalayan, pong sisi, ito yan pinputan, ang anak ay ibig, langin mong ibatan,
Tukdangan, babi!
ating ko po sisi, ang anak ay ibig, langit mong ibatan, sa ating ko pong sisi. Ating ko iyang timpukan, ama na iting, tanging mong ipatan, sa naging sinino, kay medong akapan, nawala iting, eko ka malayan. Ating ko pong sing-sing. Ating ko pong sing-sing.
Northville High School! Nakalasalamat, Northville High School. Let's clear the dance floor and make way as we welcome our 6th school category participant. Ala pong aliwa nung ali ing the Venturas from Don Honorio Ventura State University.
ibon kung lumipad, sumabay sa hangin, ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalot ng hipaga. Nag-aabang sa langit, sa pagkatap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap ng dana. May kasama ka kapatid, kaibigan, hanggat ako'y humihinga.
This next song is all about love. Too young to really be in love. Ay, maliit lamang. Ang gusto, pati sa kusina. Check it!
Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Venturas from Don Honorio Ventura State University. Ila po ing kanam at ngeni po para kumpleto ing kakatamo pong 7 school category participants. Dinantala pong masika na palakpakan from Annex High School.
Parati rin kukutang ka ako. Nung nanayawari talaga kabaldugan ng ating kupong singsing, ha, nanetang miyaliwa not yuri, rengaliwa nursery rhyme niya mo, rengaliwa, oh, it's a love song, natang kuliketang singsing may bating, oh, kanta yung suka lalo, ba, tatang nanunungan din yuri, da. Enya, iting sangkan nung bakit, ing ating kupong singsing, yang peka makabaldugan tang diling kata, keti Kapampangan. Nyapin sagrado yung kantang ating kupong singsing. Ikatang Kapampangan, metong tam parte ng yato. Ang kailangan tamong pagmaragol. Ing ada kaya tamong king yato, ing kaya tamong pangataw, bilang Kapampangan, ing kaya katang amano ang pangkultura. Ikatang Kapampangan, metong tam parte ng yato. Ang kailangan tamong pagmaragol. Ing ada kita mo king yato, ing kaya tamong pangataw, bilang Kapampangan, ing kaya katang amano ang pangkultura. Kailangan tayong pagmaragulta. Duko-duko. Happening story aning kaya katang kultura. It's a very revolutionary song. It's also a very sacred song.
Dakal salamat, Annex National High School! Palakpakan naman nung tunay pong pagmaragol na ikayo po Kapampangan kayo. Sige po, meto nga masika na palakpakan. Pagmaragol tamo po keti king SINUKWAN Festival. Adwang pulo at ana mabanwata ne po nga pagmaraguling kaya katamong kulturang Kapampangan. Bayo tamo po magpatuloy. Dinantala rin masika na palakpakan din kaya katamong school participants Sukad National High School, Northville Elementary, Lubao National High School, Jerry H. Rodriguez High School, Northville High School, Dabsu, The Venturas, and Annex National High School. Metong pong paalala kaya katamong participants ka rin bawat grupo, ali kayo pa mo po Mami Bless. Pakisabi mi pong mayap, atinta mo pong pamiyang certificates po ta, i-award la po rin ka rin bawat grupong mekyabe kaya katamong Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest. Kaya po, paalala, ala pa mo pong Mami Bless po ta. Dakal pong salamat at ngeni po, kabalen, ipagpatuloy tayo in kaya katamong Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest. Palakpakan at i-welcome tala po rin kaya katamong susunod a contestant for our non-school category. Mumunang dili po, The Prodigies.
Dangil po ko rin, away niya. Panayo kong kayabe, ang gabing mapupusya, inyato.
Ilubi sa tanas kang Judas Iscariote, ing metong kay labing-atwang alagad. At may pulong na rin mamunong pareseyo, bareng ipapatay Jesus.
rin gamot mo. Ipanibala ke. Tingin ka na ako, Espiritu. Humayo kayo at gawa kayo alagad karehanggang bansa. Bautismo nila aking lagyo ng impapo, ning anak, ang poning Espiritu Santo. Away ni, panayo kong kayabi, ang aking mapupusyay niyato. Amen.
Dinantala po nga masika na palakpakan the Prodigies. Dakala salamat king kaya katamong mumunang non-school category, group or participant. Balang medyo magkasakit la po rin kaya katamong judges, ne? Uling mga galing la, tunay mga galing kapag Kapampangan. Tuloy-tuloy pa mo rin po yung kaya katamong kasiyahan at syempre, tuloy-tuloy tayo pa rin po nga pagmasusyaning kaya katamong kulturang Kapampangan. Kumusta kayo po, Sir Brian, Ma'am Gwen, Sir Jeff, and ika rin po, Sir Rainer. Kumusta kayo po, Ken? Ayos kayo pa po? Ayos na ayos. Ngayon po, i-welcome tala rin kaya katamong susunod. A non-school category, group, or contestant. Dinantala pong masika na palakpakan, Certified Urban Snack.
Kahit mo papiling pa istorya ng tatang ko. Tatang ko naman na masanting kalupa ko.
Pero man gagawa mo gan?
Bah, may gani. Oh,
Ano mong gagawa mo ganyan?
namiss ko si tatay ko tol.
Bah, ikaw tatang? Blaksasing mo ka mo.
Kahit ganito lang itsura ko tol, may tatay ako. Nagkasolid ka naman sa akin.
Tuwal niya mo itatang mo pare.
Tol, alay. Alane.
Bah, may minto.
Wala. Umiti na.
Ginakwento mo na yung mga tatang mo.
Oo, sige, sige. Oh, happy nini, istorya ng rapi na. Wakas mga uli na urin. Kalwata-kalwata panahon. Agit ko na rin ng misis ko. Woo! Yan, nice. Malapit na ako.
Ku pakiningwan istorya ng rapi aniyang ginatangyang menibat king Saudi anay misis na at iniyang lalaki ing magpakamate aisip ng rapi king waning baril na ding ausandang pik tsaka ne tinutok hus na nga apansinana
Idan, puta na madamdaman daw yung kapit balemi. Puta di mandada ako. Hili na.
Bela ka na namo king ilog niya umene karya lumod bating agad mate lulundag ne sana king baboning tete
Ita na. Yung palapyas ng kawin. Halinapin.
naman ing magpakamate kareniami kulong ting kare lang bale at sa kane kingwa itang 29 yasang gamitan na baniyang agad mati
Akin ku Sing sing Betong yang timbukan Amana keit Kang indong iba tat 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 Sa kanteng sininuking Betong akrawan Walaya iti Ebuka malaya
Saktong-sakto naman lalabas PIBK at making kabalbon at nepang kaseksi. Oneng masakit, ras nepa lang biki, yapaing may nagkating hotel kang rapi.
Nga naning misis na ako inirafi Panyawat keng tawad ingka kong sarili E nakamimimua ala nang manyari Pangaratan ko keng kawakata
Sobra ng tula, may paglits-tulit sila. Aputot ne dila, irapi balboa. Wana rin meten, hindi pa niya.
Ladies and gentlemen, certified urban snap. Di na tala pong masikan palakpakan. Habang we-welcome tayo po ing kasunod o katuki, katlupo, karingkya katamong non-school participants, MVD Crew. At syempre, buri tala pong i-greet din kaya katamo pong talapanalbe, King CLTV 36, live tamo po ngeni, CLTV 36, akitya po King SINUKWAN Festival official page. Dakal pong salamat ka rin kaya katamong 7,000 manalbeking kaya katamong live broadcast. Yan po, palakpakan tala, MVD Crew.
Uy, ba't ka lang? Ba't yun? Uy, ba't ka lang ba't yun?
Bala mo, may ramdawin ko.
Isa ka mga ruling tamo.
Tara!
Tara!
tuntunan, biyayaliwang lata, alamring pipututan, pinturang tagantagan, biyabe-abe emingan, pandekorasyon niyang parol tiktak ng sintingan. Turap-turap, islap-islap na din, Padulo Fernandino, pawinong amatayo,
Ika'y pangarap, sinta na ninggye ko, nung mawala ka kako, mayapang matena ko. Gustong nakita ka, masaya yung puso ko, alang kalaraman, ate ko bibiro. Gustong sinabi mo, saluguran mo ko, kapilan me, ibiyay gamot mo, botang sagatan mo ko, ibigay tatang mo, karang pengari.
Dakal salamat, ladies and gentlemen, MVD Crew. Susuyo la po at mamas ko at meka. Magaling, magaling. Madiskartila po. Ayan. Dakal salamat, MVD Crew. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Kabalen, Pampanga and Robinsons Starmills Pampanga. Ingke katamo pong susunod, a participant in 2022 defending champion ng Kapampangan Hip-Hop Alangaliwa no aliing Extreme Limit Dance Crew.
Mapagal maning obra, pero para king anak ko, ang di kong tiisan.
Nitang malati ko pa ay alala ko, ikatanging manaro, stuping kikiyak ko. Sa limo ko tindangan, kaliwang pamangan, patun mo ko pang biyalungan, bago mong tuman. Eka may pagaltata, di ka panintunan. Salamat o intuminmal, inuput at pagkaman.
Na, kamusta na ka?
Kamusta? Paninakaman ng oras ka ako. Paninakaman mong obrang, hindi nakaramdam tang.
Na, pasensya na ka?
Paninakaman pasensya tang, halang kwentang tatang.
Na, nung pumunta, ut magdala ka malan.
Pabren mo na ako tang, pantunan ko kung noon ko masaya.
Ali, ka mamo ko, mo ko nalakuan na.
Hindi niya pagtanto ko na makisaya lang ang kaya bebe barkada ko, kay saan tatang ko. Sige, nitagi may pa. Balik ko mo na lang. O subukan niya pa yung batang saya.
Kanyang malatiku Alapang wangket di baboy aku Yachana kung tatangku Piterak-terak nakengat wang maku Ang daking bibatut ang hatiku Ngapong ginoo Ibalik at Paano kuwingin ang malikat Ubisan pa Nanakit keba itata
Tang, maraming salamat. Gumawa na may balik pa din mundo. Ika pa rin talaga yung unyan ko. Salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Extreme Limit Dance Crew! Dakal salamat. And now, last but certainly not the least, para po king kakatamong non-school category. Dinantala rin pong masikan na palakpakan, Generation Squad PH.
masinuso at geno na dakte ringgi na ng kera ninay minuma mingat bang pisngi mo alat elewa nung emay hindo mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Generation Squad PH. Dinadala pong masika na palakpakan at dakal pong salamat ka rin kaya katamong school and non-school category participants. Siya ko po'y DJ Nikki at tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung kaya katamong kasiyahan at syempre yung kaya katamong pamamiyeng puge at pamagmasusyan king kakatamong kulturang Kapampangan. Tune po na aliya mo pang Kapampangan ing kakatamong pagmaragol nung ali world class at talento da rin Pampanggenyo at Pilipino. Dinantala pong masika na palakpakan ring ega-naganang participants tamong eni balamay naya po. At inya pang isikan yan kabalen. Apin po yan ng kanakong amanwan. Ngeni po, kapag ginawas na kayo as I call your names, karengega ng participants tamo po, school participants, we will move forward to our awarding of certificates. Pag ginawas na kayo po, nung malyari po, munta kayo po kening kilub, naning kakatamong dance floor at event area. Deng school participants tamo po kanila pong left side ko. Deng non-school, kanila pong right side. Ikatamongan po lunguptana, Sukad National High School, Northville Elementary, Lubao National High School, Jerry H. Rodriguez High School, Northville High School, Davsu de Venturas or Don Honorio Ventura State University, Annex National High School. At karengkya katamo pong non-school, The Prodigy, Certified Urban Snap, MVD Crew, Extreme Limit Dance Crew at Generation Squad PH. Ngayon po pasalamatan tala po rin kaya katamong Board of Judges. Dakal pong salamat Sir Brian, Ma'am Gwen, Sir Jeffrey at Sir Rainer. At karengkya katamo pong partners, suppliers and sponsors. Dakal pong salamat LGU Bacolor, Laos Group Holding Inc., Faith Realty Development Corp., Ms. Candida Gomez, House of David Foundation Inc., Our Lady of Mount Carmel Charity Foundation, LGU Angeles City, Nidal Management Inc., Patient Care Corporation, with the great support of the following sponsors: CLTV 36 official media partner of SINUKWAN Festival 2023. Jorens Photographer, Alliance of Kapampangan Choreographers, Philippine National Police San Fernando, Jose Bilingad Memorial Regional Hospital. City Health Office, Health Emergency Management Stall, Traffic Management Division, PICPA Pampanga Chapter or PICPA Pampanga Chapter, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Celtec Colleges Marshall. At marakal pong salamat, dakal salamat king Talete, king Pamanyulong Kapampangan Inc., LA Bake Shop, Light Microfinance Inc., Toyota San Fernando, Sunshine Superstore, Aureli's Superstore or Aureli's Bake Shop, CGS Solid Aircon and Refrigeration Inc., La Corona Ready Mix, Holiday Land Restaurant, Aureli's Bake Shop, Garbes Supermarket at Perel Industrial Corporation. Ngeni po ipamyeta la ring certificates kareng kaya katamo pong participants. Excited na kayo bang abalo nung ninong menyambot? Bayo po yung gana-gana. Siyempre po pasalamatan tala pa si Bayo rin kaya katamong tala suporta, tala panalbek yung CLTV 36. At di nang kulamo pong pasasalamat rin kaya katamong sponsors pa, major sponsors. Kenny pong Robinsons Starmills. Palakpakan tayo po yung Robinsons. Maribat keng ibat po talagang susuportala Department of Education or DepEd. Commission on Higher Education, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort, and Clark City Front Mall, Mega World Capital Town, in partnership with Provincial Government of Pampanga, LGU City of San Fernando, Spelapco Inc., Pasodeco Development Corporation, 8990 Holding Inc., Fiesta Community, Solana Land Development Inc., Balibago Waterworks System Inc., Susie's Cuisine, Tarlac Electric, City of San Fernando Water District, Forerunner Services Inc., Durapols Inc., Angeles Electric Corporation, LGU Santo Tomas, LGU Guagua, and Clark Development Corporation. CLTV 36, kareng kaya katamo pong manalbek yung live broadcast tamo. Dakal pong salamat. Susuyo tamo, luwid ka Kabalen, luwid ka Pampanga. Dinantala po pa si Bayong Masikan. Apalakpakan rin kaya katamong school and non-school category participants. I believe handa na la po rin kaya katamong winners and certificates. Pasibayo po ulitan ko la rin kaya katamong criteria for judging. Apin po rin ni Rempeg Basianda rin kaya katamong judges para abalo no nino po ing karapat dapat ang sumambot kay Kapampangan Hip-Hop Dance Contest 2023. Choreography, creativity, and originality, 30%. Performance, projection, style, mastery, and coordination, 30%. Costumes and props, 15%. Relevance to the theme, SINUKWAN Festival 2023 theme, which is Kayanakan Manimuna, Masabal King Kultura, 15%. And audience impact, 10% for a total of 100%. Palagayo po, nino po ing karapat dapat. Bayo tamo po abalo nung nino ring karapat dapat o nung nino ba talaga ring kaya katamong winners nganing Kapampangan Hip-Hop 2023. Buritala pong dinang Certificate of Appreciation ring kaya katamo pong Board of Judges. The Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Inc. in partnership with SHED, DepEd, and the local government units in the province of Pampanga bestows this Certificate of Appreciation to Mr. Brian Royeca for being a distinguished judge in Kapampangan Hip-Hop Competition 2023. Ms. Gwen Jamay Gibo. I would like to invite to award our certificates Attorney Mariano to join us here. Kenny pong gitna, kaya katamo pong harapan. Sir Mariano, Attorney, to award the Certificate of Appreciation to our first judge, Mr. Brian Royeca. There you have it. Dinantaya pong masika na palakpakan ng kaya katamong mumunang Jurado o Judge, Mr. Brian Royeca. Kakadwa po, Ms. Gwen Jamay Gibo. Again, to award the certificate, we have with us Attorney Mariano, the Treasurer of Lingap Kapampangan Inc. Thirdly, Mr. Jeffrey Ramizo. Palakpakan tayo po Ms. Gwen at katlo po Mr. Jeffrey Ramizo. Participants, energy naman. Di nantalang masikan palakpakan rin kaya katamong judges. At last but certainly not the least, Mr. Rainer Alvarez. Dakal pong salamat ka rin kaya katamo pong mga galing mo namang Board of Judges. Salamat po Attorney Mariano for awarding those certificates. And now, we will move forward to awarding or the awarding of the certificates of appreciation kareng kaya katamo pong school and non-school participants. Mumunang dili po, ing Sukad National High School. Dinantala pong masikan palakpakan. Malyari langan pong mukyat o kaya po representative ng Sukad National High School. The Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Inc. in partnership with SHED, DepEd, and local government units in the province of Pampanga bestows this certificate of appreciation to Sukad National High School. There you go. Secondly, we would like to award this certificate of appreciation to Northville Elementary School. Habang mag-picture la po rin kaya katamong school participants, burita la pong pasalamatan pa si Bayo, Robinsons Starmills, DepEd, and SHED. Yan naman po kakatlo, Lubao National High School. Special thanks to Robinsons Starmills, Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort, Clark City Front Mall, Mega World Capital Town, in partnership with Provincial Government of Pampanga, LGU City of San Fernando, Pampanga, Spelapco Inc., Pasudeco Development Corporation, 8990 Holding Inc., Fiesta Communities, Solana Land Development Inc. Next, this certificate of appreciation is being awarded to Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. Special thanks to Balibago Waterworks Systems Inc., Susie's Cuisine, Tarlac Electric, City of San Fernando Water District, Forerunners Inc. or Forerunners Services Inc., Durapols Inc., Angeles Electric Corporation or AEC, LGU of Santo Tomas, LGU of Guagua, and CDC or Clark Development Corporation. Also, we would like to thank LGU of Bacolor, Pampanga, Laus Group Holding Inc., Faith Realty Development Corporation, Miss Candida Gomez, House of David Foundation Inc., Our Lady of Mount Carmel Charity Foundation, and LGU of Angeles City. Next, we would like to award the certificate of appreciation to Northville High School. Also, special thanks to Nidal Management Inc., LGU of Angeles City, Patient Care Corporation. With great support of our media partner, CLTV 36 official media partner, Jorens Photography, Alliance of Kapampangan Choreographers, Philippine National Police of San Fernando, Pampanga, Jose B. Lingad Memorial Regional Hospital, City Health Office, Health Emergency Management Stall, Traffic Management Division, PICPA or PICPA Pampanga Chapter, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, CELTEC Colleges Marshall. And this certificate of appreciation is being awarded also to Davsu De Venturas, Don Honorio Ventura State University. Also, special thanks to CELTEC Colleges Marshall. Thank you also to Talete King Panyulong Kapampangan Inc., LA Bake Shop, Light Microfinance Inc., Toyota San Fernando, Sunshine Superstore, Aureli's Bake Shop, CGS Solid Aircon and Refrigeration Inc., La Corona Ready Mix, Holiday Land Restaurant, Aureli's Bake Shop, Garbes Supermarket, and Perel Industrial Corporation. And also, this certificate of appreciation is being awarded to Northville High School Annex. Also, ladies and gentlemen, Kabalen, Pampanga, buritaya rin pong pasalamatan ing Jollibee Robinsons Starmills Pampanga. Yarita na pong mag-award ka rin kakatamong school category participants. But wait, there's more. We would like to award this certificate of appreciation to our non-school category participants. Mag-ingay naman mga non-school participants! There you go. This certificate of appreciation is being awarded to the Prodigies. The Prodigies, please proceed to the stage. Moving forward, this certificate of appreciation is being awarded to Certified Urban Snack. Certified Urban Snap. Kareng kaya katamo pong non-school participants, kapag inaos na kayo po lagyu for the awarding of certificate, kindly proceed to the stage so that you can claim your certificates. Tutuki po, this certificate is being awarded to the Prodigies. Dakal-dakal pong salamat kareng kaya katamong partners and sponsors. With the great support of CLTV 36, the official media partner of SINUKWAN Festival, Pampanga, Philippines. Jorens Photographer, Alliance of Kapampangan Choreographers. Next, this certificate of appreciation is being awarded to MVD Crew. Also, special thanks to Philippine National Police San Fernando, Jose B. Lingad Memorial Regional Hospital, City Health Office, Health Emergency Management Stall, Traffic Management Division, PICPA or PICPA Pampanga Chapter, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, CELTEC Colleges Marshall, Jollibee Robinsons Starmills. Thanks also to Health Emergency Management Staff. Dakal mo naman pong salamat kintalete kay Pamanyulong o Panyulong Kapampangan Inc. Next, this certificate of appreciation is being awarded to Extreme Limit Dance Crew. We would also like to thank LGU Ning Bacolor, Laus Group Holding Inc., Faith Realty Development Corp., Miss Candida Gomez, House of David Foundation Inc., Our Lady of Mount Carmel Charity Foundation, LGU Ning Angeles City, Nidal Management Inc., and Patient Care Corporation. Also, special thanks to the Health Emergency Management staff. We would also like to thank our sponsors, our major sponsors for this year's SINUKWAN Festival: Robinsons Starmills, DepEd, Shed, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort, Clark City Front Mall, Mega World Capital Town. Last but certainly not the least, this certificate is being awarded to Generation Squad PH.
Pampanga, minsan pa kung kaya pa na kakarinsek mo ka na ipagdat sa ika.
Thank you and once again, congratulations po sa lahat ng ating participants. Palakpakan naman dyan! I would like to announce what our prizes are para naman mas maging excited kongan po. Nino po sa Palageyo ing dapat sumambut para king kekatamong third place. You will receive 5,000. Second place, 7,000. First place, 10,000. At Best in Remix, 1,000 pesos. Halita na po palambatan pa. Without further ado, we will award this certificates and cash prize para po king kakatamong Best in Kapampangan Remix. First, our school category, Alangaliwa Nungaliing Northville High School! Best in Music School category. Alright, congratulations. Sige po, munta kayo po king stage para naman king kakatamong non-school category. Para po king kakatamong... Para po king kakatamong non-school category, Alangaliwa Nungaliing mga non-school category participants, mag-ingay! Parang mahina. Ang ating winner sa ating Best in Kapampangan Remix ay walang iba kundi ang... Wala ba tayong drum roll dyan? Certified Urban Snack! Ngayon naman, para sa ating hip-hop dance competition school-based winners mula po sa ating third place hanggang sa ating first place, pwede bang mag-ingay muna lahat ng ating school participants? The Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Inc. in partnership with the CHED, DepEd, and the local government units in the province of Pampanga bestows this Certificate of Appreciation to our third place in Kapampangan Hip-Hop Competition School category. Alangaliwa nungaliing Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. Again, ikayungan po para kay kami sinambot kayungan uling. Mga galing kayungan po. Basta Kapampangan, magaling at siguradong apag maragol tamo alimu Kenny Pinas. Nungali, world class talaga ang talent. Again, congratulations to Jerry H. Rodriguez High School. And now for our second place for the school category. Our second place winner is none other than Lubao National High School. Congratulations to Lubao National High School. We would also like to thank our sponsors, Robinsons Starmills, DepEd, Shed, Hilton, Clarkson Valley Resort, Clark City Front Hall, and Mega World Capital Town. And now, sino kaya ang ating first place for the school category? Para sa ating first place winner, this certificate will be awarded to Northville High School. Congratulations to Northville High School. Pasibayo po pasalamatan tala rin kaya katamong sponsors. Tuloy-tuloy tayo pong pagmasusyon ng kaya katamong kultura. Kaya naman, etane palambatan pa! Karen kaya katamong non-school participants, mag-ingay! Sige po, dinantala pong space ng kaya katamong non-school participants. Sino kaya ang dapat manalo? The Prodigies, Certified Urban Snap, MVD Crew, Extreme Limit Dance Crew, Generation Squad PH. Without further ado, let us award these certificates to our third place, second place, and first place for Kapampangan Hip-Hop Competition non-school category. For our third place, walang iba kundi Generation Squad! Thank you so much, and again, congratulations to Generation Squad. Para naman sa ating second place, sino kaya ang mananalo ng second place to receive a trophy and of course, 7,000 pesos. Ang ating second place winner for the non-school category ay walang iba kundi MVD Crew! Congratulations, MVD Crew! Bayuke po i-announce no nino yung kakatamong grand winner or first place para kay non-school category. Paalala mo po ka rin kaya katamong kayanakan. Patuloy pong lingapan ng kaya kayong talento kay Pamanerak o nanuman imbinyanan ng kaya katamong apong ginu. Uling ikayungan, kahit nali kayo sumambot ngeni, mga galing kayungan po. Di nantala pong masika na palakpakan. Nino kaya, karapat dapat manuli o tumanggap kay kaya katamong first place to receive a trophy, a certificate, and 10,000 pesos. Our first place winner is none other than Extreme Limit Dance Crew! Congratulations, Extreme Limit. Congratulations to our non-school participants. Again, I would like to announce all of our participants who are all winners for us. Mga galing kayungan po. So congratulations, and as I acknowledge you, please do not lose heart and continue to pursue your passion in dancing. To our non-school participants, the Prodigies, Certified Urban Snap, MVD Crew, Extreme Limit Dance Crew, and Generation Squad PH, thanks to all of you. To our school participants, Sukad National High School, Northville Elementary, Lubao National High School, Jerry H. Rodriguez High School, Northville High School, Davsu de Venturas, and Annex National High School. Nakaladakal pong salamat kaya kayungan. Dakal pong salamat kareng kaya katamong tala-suporta at tala-panalbe. CLTV 36 live tamo po nga ni Ken. Kareng kaya katamo pong major sponsors. King SINUKWAN Festival 2023. Nang partners tamo pong manibat king ibat. For 26 years, you have been supporting SINUKWAN Festival. Dakal pong salamat. SINUKWAN Festival sponsors Robinsons Starmills, Department of Education, SHED, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort, Clark City Front Mall, Mega World Capital Town, Provincial Government of Pampanga, LGU San Fernando, Spelapco Inc., Pasodeco Development Corporation, 8990 Holding Inc., Fiesta Communities, Solana Land Development Inc., Balibago Waterworks System Inc., Susie's Cuisine, Tarlac Electric, City of San Fernando Water District, Forerunner Services Inc., Durapols Inc., Angeles Electric Corporation or AEC, LGU Santo Tomas, LGU Guagua, Clark Development Corporation, LGU Bacolor, Laos Group Holdings Inc., Faith Realty Development Corporation, Ms. Candida Gomez, House of David Foundation Inc., Our Lady of Mount Carmel Charity Foundation, LGU Angeles City, NIDA Management Inc., Patient Care Corporation, with the great support of our medical staff, emergency management staff. Dakal pong salamat, sir. Pasalamatan tala murin po rin kaya katamang official media partner, CLTV 36. Dakal pong salamat. Alliance of Kapampangan Choreographers, Philippine National Police San Fernando, JBL or Jose B. Lingad Memorial Regional Hospital, City Health Office, Health Emergency Management Stall, Traffic Management Division, PICPA or PICPA Pampanga Chapter, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Celtec Colleges Marshall, Jollibee, Robinsons Starmills Pampanga. Thank you mo rin po. Dakal mo naman pong salamat, King Talete, King Panyulong Kapampangan Inc., LA Bake Shop, Light Microfinance Inc., Toyota San Fernando, Aureli's Bake Shop, CGS Solid Aircon and Refrigeration Inc., La Corona Ready Mix, Holiday Land Restaurant, Aureli's Bake Shop, Garbes Supermarket, Perel Industrial Corporation. Yako po, i-DJ Nikki at magsabi ko pong dakal salamat, Sir Jeff, Sir Brian, Ma'am Gwen, Sir Rainer, kaya nakan mani muna masabal King Kultura. DJ Nikki po, alang sawang maglingkod, King Kapampangan. God bless you all, and to God be all the glory.
Sisi